Simpson's hybrid frontal head restraint is an important part of any racer's safety arsenal. But like any safety equipment, the hybrid must be used within its design parameters to ensure proper function. The key difference between a hybrid and a Hans device is in the tethers. The Hans device uses a single sliding tether that's positioned at an almost horizontal angle to help control head movement, where the hybrid uses a sliding tether along with two additional fixed tethers, all of which are positioned at upward angles. This makes the hybrid devices a universal fit with all standard seating angles, where the Hans must be purchased in the appropriate configuration, 20 degrees for more upright seating position or the 30 degree for more reclined position. But as neck length and seating angles vary between driver to driver, so will the position of the helmet anchors in relation to the hybrid. This is why the hybrids are designed with adjustable tethers, and why it's so critical that you adjust the tethers to fit both the driver and the vehicle. The proper way to adjust a hybrid device is by shortening or lengthening the two tethers that extend upward from the device and attach to the helmet anchor. Hybrid devices can be attached to your helmet using your choice of one of 4 anchor options offered by Simpson. This video will cover the adjustment process for the tethers on any hybrid model. This includes the Sport, Pro, S, and even older hybrid devices. The adjustment process requires the assistance of another person, so be sure to have a friend handy. It's important that you perform the tether adjustment process with your fire suit and undergarments on, and preferably in the vehicle that you're going to be driving. Your fire suit and helmet need to be properly fitted, and the hybrid device properly installed before adjusting the tethers. Begin by sitting back into the seat and fastening your safety harness. The lap belt should be positioned so that the belts come straight across your lap and into the buckle. The shoulder belt adjusters should be positioned mid-chest, below the collarbone, and your shoulder belt should be in contact with approximately 1/3 to 2/3 of the shoulder pad area of the hybrid. Now snugly tighten the shoulder and lap belts. Start with the rear tether first. This tether controls the forward movement of the helmet. Ideally, you should have a minimum of 1 inch and a maximum of 2 1/4 inches of chin-up forward helmet travel from your head's normal resting position when driving. If you find that you have too much or too little travel, have your assistant adjust the rear tether until you fall within the 1 inch to 2 1/4 inch guidelines. Next, adjust the forward tether. This controls side-to-side motion of the helmet, and the tether should be adjusted so that the side-to-side helmet tilt is limited to about 1/2 inch of movement from your head's normal resting position before being stopped by the tether. Adjust the tether on the other side to the same length. Be sure to note that it's critical to have the tethers as even as possible on both sides to prevent head rotation in a collision. With all the tethers adjusted to the correct length, ensure that the tethers are routed correctly and securely through the bar adjusters. And that's all there is to properly adjusting your Simpson hybrid device for optimal fit and performance. And don't forget to finish off your safety checklist with our helmets, fire suits, hand and foot protection, safety harnesses, and more. And to learn all about the hybrid device and see our full line of safety equipment and apparel, visit us at simpsonraceproducts.com.